Boom! Look at this. Thalia, look. Hi friends, welcome back to Thalia Fun Family Channel. My name is Milton and
I'm Thalia. I'm little Milton.
And today we're making slime. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and leave a comment on what's your favorite color of slime. Check us out on Facebook,
And TikTok,
Instagram,
Facebook,
and our other gaming channel at
Gaming.
Thank you for watching. I got my two helpers today. Thalia is going to be doing
I want this one.
blue.
Blue with the.
Is that blue with sparkle?
That's
Yeah.
blue sparkles. Milton, you're doing.
This and this. I want it to
No.
glow.
We have the glow stuff already. See, that glows.
What then we?
This is for me. All glow. Power
No.
glow. Milton, which one are you going to be doing? Metallic or super glow?
I want metallic.
Yeah, you have metallic already. Okay.
Metallic.
And I guess I'm gonna do glow in the dark glue. And we also have the actuator, which is called Magic Liquid Glow Slime Activator. So mine's gonna have a double dose of glow. All right, the instruction says that we're gonna use this, which is 5 full ounces in our containers.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay, look.
and then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon. That's 1 teaspoon. It's a little bit. And then we have our stir to stir.
Stick stir.
Stick stir.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
We don't need it now, so let's just keep.
All right. So first thing. Get ready, Slimers.
Ready, set, go!
Open your container.
I already did it.
All right.
Oh.
Now
Wait, I need help. Oh, I just did it. Wait for me. Actually,
All right.
I don't need help.
turn container upside down.
Ready, set, go!
Yeah.
I need
Get
help.
all 5 ounces out of there. Okay. Oh, that looks cool, nothing. Okay.
Oh my.
Oh, was that a fart?
Yeah.
Wow, Milton. You got a bottle that likes to fart. How you doing, Thalia? Let's see how much more we have in there. It's coming. Yup, it's coming. It's coming. You're doing good. Keep shaking it, Thalia. Keep squeezing like lemon. Right, Milton? Alright, now we turn it so we don't make a mess. Now, I'm going to show mine first. That's what mine looks like.
That looks like me.
Thalia's. And Milton looks like the best. Like the Silver Surfer or the Terminator too. Oh, you gotta let me shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, you're getting me dirty. Okay, I'm trying not to get dirty. Okay, here we go. Alright, now.
Just mix it.
No. Put the cap back on the glue.
I did it.
Oh, great. Thank you, Thalia. Thalia got points for that.
stir.
Okay, well, you go ahead and stir. Okay, now, I guess stir a little bit. Now, here's the magic. The activator. Stand back, children. Okay, here we go. 1 teaspoon
A fresh activator.
of glow in the dark activator.
It doesn't even look like activator.
Don't move me, because here we go. Who wants the first?
Me!
Okay, do mini.
No. Okay.
Go.
Ah!
Who won?
Me.
Here we go.
No.
Okay, now stir, Milton. Thalia, it's yours.
No, easy.
No, that's it. Too late. You're the other one. You're the other mode. go, Thalia. And Dad gets his medicine too. Now don't drink this at home. Alright, that's in there.
You can only drink.
And we're gonna stir. Stir good, okay? Stir really good.
I don't know what's mine.
Like you're doing eggs. Now Milton, you're a slime expert. Are you eating that? Fresh slime?
Fresh
Now,
glue with activator.
Milton, do we need more activator?
Yeah. Does it look like it's sticking?
Now, don't get your hands dirty, please. I'm not cleaning.
It's too sticky.
Okay, so let's do a little more activator. We're gonna do another teaspoon, but this one Thalia's first. Turn it, Thalia. Go for it. Milton,
You.
medicine.
No, you can.
Go for it. And here's the activator.
Oh, look, it's getting there.
All right,
I
keep stirring.
can see green sparkles.
Keep stirring. Last time we added too much activator.
Yeah, you remember? Look, I'll show you my results of making. Look. Yeah, we have to clean the table.
It looked like guts before.
It's like human guts. Ready?
Keep stirring, Thalia.
Still
Stir,
too sticky. Oh, it's getting not sticky.
stir. And Milton knows when it's slime. I don't know when it's slime. I just
Touch it.
I just follow the direction.
I need sparkle. Touch it.
No, you don't need sparkles. I have sparkles. Milton, what do you think? More?
This is my channel. Give it thumbs up and I like my slime or that my brother or my dad. Yet a
Okay,
little more.
we're gonna add a half a tablespoon of activator.
I want that. That's
There you go.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
Oh, you're welcome.
You go. You know you.
Wait
Serving.
a second.
I'll be last.
Oh, you'll last this time.
Okay.
All right, keep on stirring.
Then how you?
I think it would have been better just to buy this one.
Daddy,
We just gotta keep on stirring, I guess.
this looks like
We don't want to mess up the slime because
last video we made a mess. And now we're making it up again.
okay, how's mine look? How's your look? Is it ready or
Touch it.
Look, this looks like it's working. I don't want to touch it.
Touch it.
It's still sticky.
It's too sticky.
How's yours?
Oh my. Too sticky. No skipping.
Milton, how we doing, Milt?
Shorts.
I think it's getting slime. Look. This is still sticky.
I don't know what to do. You do it.
Man, do we have to get the other actuator? Here, we're gonna put more. Let's put more in it. Another one here.
Another one. I'll be
A little bit. We're not putting a lot because last time we put too much and we destroyed the glue. All right, Thalia, stir.
No one blame me. No one blame me.
I think mine's working. I think this did it.
Who are you stir that onto?
I'm gonna sleep with my slime.
You know there's a container.
Oh, look! Mine's getting like less sticky. I think a little more actuator, and I think we're there.
But we're gonna have
Friends, you were counting how many times we added the activator into the glue.
right?
So you know how many teaspoons. So
and
that's fine. We messed up.
let's try and mix this up because
Okay, I think we're gonna put a smaller one.
ta-da!
Oh.
Fresh pepperoni.
We're gonna use a quarter teaspoon this time. A quarter.
I will get something. A quarter?
There you go, quarter. Boom.
No, I'm gonna do it by myself.
Wait. There. And
Boom!
boom. Okay. Oops. Boom. There we go.
I like boom.
I think this will be it, friends. And we're gonna have.
Look!
Yep. This is it. We're getting there. We're going home. We got slime.
Slime, Dad. I love slime. I love axing slime. Hey, she's been axing slime for 4 days.
Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. False alarm.
Please subscribe and like and share in the comments what's your favorite thing.
We're gonna add some more.
Subscribe.
We're gonna go back to a full tablespoon, and I think.
No, I won't do it.
All right, hold on. You're gonna do it. Hold on.
No.
Put it in.
Fresh mayonnaise.
Put it in.
That will. Boom! Give me
Boom.
some activator.
All right, watch out.
Can I just take a little bit of your activator?
You activate over here. That's it.
I'm
Okay, here we go. Okay, this has got to do it, friends.
Got it.
It's got to do it.
Look, the symbiote. It's working. Look, the symbiote. Look, it's covering it. Ta-da! Ta-da-da!
Thalia, how you doing over there?
Wow. Mine's working!
Start doing this. I just put the things in them.
Start stewing?
I think I got there. I'm here. I got the slime.
Oh my, I got slime on
I got slime because I'm doing my job. Milton, you're not doing your job. I think I'm doing it.
I'm thinking we're done. We're done.
I think we made it.
Yeah, we made it. We made it. Ta-da!
Boom! Look at this. Thalia, look. Look at
Wet.
Okay, this is a half teaspoon. Go.
Wait, this one. Boom!
Did you
Okay,
not-
I'll mix.
Do not mix my slime with your slime.
That's pretty cool. I'm gonna do sparkles. I'm gonna do sparkles.
That has sparkles.
They already have sparkles. I'm gonna do
See? See this?
Mine's literally too hard.
Need a little more.
Ta-da!
You gotta mix this some more, puppy.
Are you serious? Look, it's so sticky. I'm not gonna even touch it anymore.
Thalia got the slime.
Okay. Okay, Daddy, I need help.
Thalia made it to slime. Look. Thalia's the first slimer.
No.
Yep, she made it. Good dance, girl. Thalia, because she was diligent.
Whoa!
Okay, that's it. You made it.
Wait, let me put it down.
Maybe you might need a little more, just to make sure.
Huh?
A little more, maybe. Hold on.
But mine's too hard.
Hold on. Let me add another. Let me add a quarter.
Okay, Daddy. Mine's getting
Quarter.
super sticky.
Quarter.
Look at this.
I don't know what he's doing.
Oh look, I'm cleaning. I'm literally cleaning. Look, I can touch it now. Look, I am touching it. Look at this, Thalia, I'm touching it. Daddy, I need a cooler, Dad.
Oh.
Ta-da, I'm touching it.
Look, Thalia made it. Look. Look,
Yeah!
friends. Thalia, the first. Thalia, the first. She made it. Slime in your face.
I need to go, Dad. I can't mix it. Look, I can't mix it, Mom. I can't mix it.
Look, Dad. Slime number 2.
Ta-da! Can I touch it now? I'm sticky.
You sticky? Okay, put it back if it's too sticky. We put a little more activator.
Ta-da!
Yeah, put that into it. Watch it. That's another half teaspoon.
Another hustle 2 times.
Wow, you guys have added a lot of that.
Oh yay, it's getting softer.
Milton's almost there.
This is like a lot of mixing.
Yep.
We did it.
We did it. We made slime.
We made slime.
Ooh.
Show your slime, Thalia. Now we're gonna unite slimes together. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Again, catch us on our next video that we do. And subscribe, give a like, put a comment, and check out our other channel, Danny's Son Gaming. Thalia, can you say bye to them?
Bye. Bye, friends. The symbiote. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, now it's forming into me.
Yeah, this slime needs a little more.
Okay, it's slime. You want? Let's want combine.
Hit the like button, subscribe for more fun, and be sure to hit the notification bell.